Hello guys, this is trig identity.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're asked to prove that tan x is equal to sin x over cos x. So I want you to relax. We're going to take it gradually, okay? From the normal trig ratios to get this solution. So if you are to prove trig identity, make sure that you start your proving from the complex side of the trig identity. In fact, make sure whatever you are doing, you do it from the complex side. If you look at this and this, you'll notice that this is more complex than this, which means this is what you are going to use to prove that it is equal to this. Is that okay? But before we get to this, I want you to recall that we have this. This is SOHCAHTOA. This is for sine, opposite over hypotenuse. This is for cos, adjacent over hypotenuse. And this is for tan, opposite over adjacent. So obviously, this is what we are looking for. We want to show that whatever you have here is equal to opposite over adjacent. Is that okay? Now, what do? Recall that sine from what we have here is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Is that okay? Recall also that cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then note that here sine over cos. That means everything you have here over everything you have here. Is that okay? So what we're going to do then is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, then over, which is this, you now have adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay. Now this can be simplified to be opposite over hypotenuse divided by this line you have here. Then you have adjacent over hypotenuse. Is that okay? Now, you know, according to fractions, whenever you are dividing fraction, there is this law we use to, which is what we call the KCF. Keep, change, and flip. KCF. Is that okay? So we keep this first fraction just the same way it is. We change this sign to multiplication and we flip the second fraction. So we are going to have opposite over hypotenuse times hypotenuse over adjacent. Now, this will definitely cancel this. So what we now have left is opposite. Opposite times 1 here is opposite over 1 times adjacent is adjacent. Is that okay? So you recall now that opposite over adjacent is for tan. So we'll successfully use this to prove this. Is that okay? Bye.